God didn't put the spirit of fear inside of us. But yet, I look around and I see a lot of persons that's timid. You're scared of what people may say about your music, their opinions. Some opinions are very harsh. I get it. But there's room for improvement. That's what you gotta understand. There's room for improvement. You're not gonna make a billboard or hit a record deal on your first song without the right people in your corner. Without the right producers, the right mastering, whatever field you're in. You're not gonna blow up by just giving up, thinking that one song gonna put you on the market. No, it doesn't work like that. It takes years of practice, consistency. You gotta be able to want it as bad as you breathe. E.T. once said that. As bad as you breathe. Do you want success? As bad as you breathe. Or are you going to sit in this little dark corner waiting to be recognized by people that literally don't care about you? You won't be recognized by people that don't care about you, that don't care about your content. You're looking for validation from people. You got to support yourself. Put in work. Okay, somebody said your music sounds like trash. Somebody else might like it. But you go in there and take both opinions. And you do the little remixing, a little analyzing. And you bring out the best lyrics that you could. You continue working on yourself and whatever you're doing. Do not give up. Because you're going to make it one day. You're destined for greatness. But you got to believe in yourself. Got to be focused on yourself. Got to desire it. Got to be determined to go and get it. You cannot stop at step one. You cannot be on the first floor and expect to reach the rooftop when you never try. Okay, the elevator's down, but there's stairs. But because you're afraid of heights, because in the elevator you ain't gonna be able to look outside or look downstairs, so you could just be relaxing. But on the stairs, you're gonna have to be counting the steps and looking down. Don't be scared. Fail and fail big. Fail and fail big. You're destined for greatness. And without failure, you're not gonna be the person you're designed to be. To be who you want to be, the best version of yourself, you're going to have to go through the struggle. I don't care how rich you is, wherever you came from, you're going to have to go through some type of struggle to become successful, to become the person you're destined to be. So go out there, break the boundaries, set the goals, run through these obstacles, conquer, become a conqueror. Accept the challenge today to become a better person, because better days are ahead.